In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish your Base44 project quickly and efficiently. Whether you're launching a personal blog, a business site, or a portfolio, following these steps will help ensure your project goes live without a hitch. Let's start by opening your Base44 project in Chrome. Chrome is a reliable browser that supports all of Base44's features, ensuring a smooth experience. Make sure your project is up to date with all the latest edits and content you're planning to go live with. This is crucial to keep your audience engaged with fresh and accurate content. Once you're sure everything is in order, take a moment to go over all the necessary content and settings. Double-check your text, images, links, and any custom code that might be part of your project. It's essential to ensure everything aligns with your vision. This step is your last chance to make any final tweaks or corrections, so be thorough. After verifying your content, head over to the Publish section within the Base44 dashboard. This is the command center for your project going live. Here, you'll find options to tailor your audience's access to your site. You can select your visibility options, either keeping it public or assigning domain-specific access based on your preferences or requirements. Public visibility means anyone can see your site, whereas domain-specific settings might restrict access to a specified audience. Consider what makes sense for your goals and adjust these settings accordingly. Once you've decided on your visibility settings, it's time to confirm publishing to make your site live. This is the big moment where all your hard work becomes visible to the world. Confirming the publication is a straightforward process, but do take a moment to ensure that all your previous choices are set as intended. With this step, remember that any changes you've made up to this point will be visible to your audience. After confirming your publication, you're ready to share the site link with your audience. Simply access your URL from the project page, and now you can share it via email, social media, or any communication channel you prefer. Remember, this is your chance to reach out and engage with your audience, so think about adding a personalized message to highlight what's new or exciting about your site. And there you have it. A live project for the world to see, all from following these straightforward steps. I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to keep your site updated regularly to ensure it stays current and captivating. Thanks for watching, and happy publishing!